It's everything that everyone said. It's daunting, it's exhilarating, it's shocking in my case.
Karan is more practiced at this speech, so you have to excuse me.
Yeah, no, it's just everything that I thought it would be, and yet everything that not. Like I still look at them and can't believe they're mine, and I'm just blessed every morning, literally by their presence.
You know, I tell you this, and I feel this every single day. I look back at my life and I look at my son and I keep saying to myself, this is the best thing I've ever done.
Yeah.
I really feel that, and that's, I think, what parenthood does to parents, you know, becoming a parent.
I always say that they're the finest dharma productions,
Yes.
literally,
Yes, indeed.
and otherwise.
And I think having one and extending your family only makes you more whole.
Yes,
So
it
I
does.
think kids are the greatest gift.
So what kind of relationship have you had with food when you were younger, and what do you expect, or how do you want to carry that forward for your children? Or what kind of relationship do you want them to have with food?
Well, when I was young, food was my sibling, because with the lack of one or the lack of any other options available to me, I decided to befriend food. And all I did was consume that friendship in excess. And as a result, I grew into a very large human being. And all I did was think and eat and breathe food. And it became like so difficult that there was no therapy at that time. But I know that I was definitely a candidate for therapy to get over my incessant food eating habits.
So when did you become objective, and when did you cut those ties with that sibling? And when did you have a healthier relationship?
Well,
when
I
did you
think
start
that
having a healthier
my relationship has been through so many ups and downs with food. Like there's always stress in that zone. It's never really left me, which is why I think books like this and people like Pooja and forces like nutrition are so critical, that at a young stage you don't get, and you know, they're kids, they should have fun as well. They should enjoy what's great about food. But I think there are so many indulgences that we tend to kind of get into that I think that can be completely avoided. You know, what you don't expose them to, they're not going to like love. In my case, I was half Punjabi and half Sindhi, so food was a very big part of our daily life. And if it wasn't on the table, it was on a discussion zone. So we either talked about it or we ate it. You know, that's what we did. And I think food should not be given that kind of importance that we tend to in our country. You know, everything is like, at lunch we discuss what we're going to have for tea, at tea we're going to discuss what we're having for dinner, and then you sleep with thoughts of breakfast. So it's really kind of like goes into a loop of sorts. And I don't want my children to kind of go through those issues that I did.
How are you going to play this differently? How are you going to make sure that at lunch you're not going to be talking about tea or dinner?
Because now there is so much else to talk about. There is so much else to say. Also because with me you get two for the price of one. So I'm playing mother and father in this dynamic. So I have a double role to play of sorts. So for me it's even more daunting and even more like, and I realized that I haven't realized. I've told myself that I'm not going to be a hysterical hyper parent, because I see so many of them around me, and especially leading actresses who become mothers. I think something happens to them. You know, they become like from leading actress to paranoid parent, and I feel like I don't want to be that. When I see young mothers like Meera, it's refreshing, and I'm glad I have them. Like they make me feel younger, because I feel like I have a 23-year-old to call for parental advice, and I feel that's amazing. And Meera and I have chatted a lot, and I'm glad that she's going to be, and I told her already, we've planned the best friendships of our children. Like my daughter and her daughter are going to be best friends. We'll keep the options open with the son. Because you never know, why should we give those ties to boys and girls? But I just feel I'm so happy that eventually in a play group and in a WhatsApp group, I'm going to be the oldest and yet youngest member. I'm really excited.
It's not a bad
I
thing.
can't wait to get onto those mothers group chats. I can't wait.
Karan has opened Dharma Elementary now.
Yeah, I'm all set with a little playroom in my office, because that's how I'm going to be able to spend quality time with them as well.
Who takes the nutrition decisions as far as your kids are concerned?
There haven't been very many
Who is
decisions.
telling them about the 5 fingers?
Karan.
I will have to be. Me and my mom, I think, we're pretty much the universe for my
Karan knows
children.
all the formulas and everything at the back of his hand. He knows what route he's taking.
I did a lot of reading, I think, before it all happened. But eventually, I mean, you know, these daunting pieces of information I'm putting into the
Even
inner
learn
recesses
every
of
day.
my head. So I'm going to definitely be reading because I mean, initially Pooja was just making you delete what you eat, but now we have to like eat, delete Junior. I think that's what needs to happen from now onwards.
I'm gonna
Surprise myself.
blindfold
Karan, you can't say
while
that
the
you've
food
never
comes
been
up.
blindfolded.
Okay, I don't know if I signed up for this, but what the hell. Isn't Meera getting blindfolded as well?
Hers is the second round, right?
This seems like 50 Shades of Grey to me. I don't know. I thought it was a children's book. What's happening here?
Karan, it's only me.
I know, but still, I can fantasize, Mandira.
Okay. Okay.
Is something going into my mouth now?
Yes, in a
Okay.
minute.
Yeah? Ah.
Easy.
Can I have one more of it?
I made it well.
Yeah. I know this.
Come on.
It's
you
a
can do
fruit.
this.
Oh. It's a fruit. Why don't I know this? I'm going blank. I know it's a fruit. You want to tell me it's apple? Okay. Banana.
Well, you're not. Okay, fine. That was right, but you're not supposed to help. You can't say A for
I
apple.
thought it was you mix the two together.
All right. You get one right. Somebody's keeping score, I hope.
Apple and banana.
It's apple banana mash.
Okay. No one told you I'm allergic to banana, right? I break into hives. That's fine.
It's a lie. Yummy.
Ugh. No. What is this? This I don't know because I don't like.
Okay, he doesn't like it. He doesn't know. So
What is this? What is it?
it was mashed sweet potato. Very
no
good for
wonder.
you.
No, no.
Moving
yeah.
on to number 3.
Ah.
Now you gotta like this.
You're gonna like this one.
This is yogurt, is it? No. What is it?
Okay.
Oh, this is little santra it had in it.
No, sorry, you
No,
got this
shit.
wrong as well.
What is it?
That was avocado.
This is avocado.
Yes. And here we are with the last
Can
one.
I judge the cooking?
It's just mashed avocado.
Okay, now.
This is the last one. Number 4.
It's like porridge or something. What is it?
Oh, sorry. You got that right.
Is it right?
So you got 2 wrong, 2 right. You can take the blindfold
Meera just
off.
get 2 wrong, yeah. I don't like to lose.
You can take the blindfold.
Can I?
Yes, Meera, your turn. We've got a little bit of MasterChef going on
Masterchef.
here.
Chef Junior
Yes.
/ senior.
You're
we have to
both
go
going to
there?
have to reconstruct a dish featured in Eat, Delete Junior by just looking at the picture. The ingredients are in front of you. You're going to be given 5 minutes. Please listen to the rules, lady and gentlemen.
Yes.
You're going to be given 5 minutes to reconstruct a dish from the book. You're going to have to take a look
What?
at the
To do
just
what?
based on the picture.
Oh, where's the picture? Here. Mince? Oh, God. Okay. Are we meant to start? Yes. Okay.
You're both making separate dishes, is it? Yes. Okay. Whoever gets it closer to the picture is the one who wins the round. Is somebody timing this? Yes. Okay. You have exactly... Okay, I've been told you have 3 minutes to do this. Just 3. 3. Chop, chop. Pooja, while they're doing what they're doing, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the book. How long did it take to... How long did it take from start to... Let them do it. How long did the book take from start to finish, from when you decided on it to today?
A good 3 years. Oh, my daughter's prompting me. Yes, because it wasn't easy. I was developing the book as they were developing, and there was a lot of data that I first wanted so that it's genuine and it's researched and it's not just hearsay. Because there's, like he said, like Karan said, there's so much advice. Everyone's giving you advice, and we need to filter the good and the bad, and we don't need to get paranoid and helicopter mom. So we have to know where to draw the line and when to stop. So there are many things that you have to try, but there are many battles that sometimes it's okay if you lose. Just keeping the bigger picture in mind, because there's not every battle that you're going to win. I can't eat this, I can't do that. There's not everything that you can force your child to. So there's a way that we're going to be doing a little bit of, and a little bit of leniency as well.
Which are your favorite recipes, the ones which are tried, tested, and approved of by your daughters?
So there is an egg wrap. Egg is my favorite, and that's why Karan's making 2 beautiful dolls with boiled eggs. And, oh, well done, Karan. We have lots of, the eyelashes are really long. So there's an egg rack recipe, which is very easy to put in the kids' tiffin box. It tastes good cold. So there are many such recipes which are all 5 fingers of nutrition taken care of, so that you can still pack nutrition into your kids' tiffin.
I'm done as well as I can do. I'm done. My eyes are a bit scattered. Listen, she's got the infinitely tougher job.
Okay, now,
I think
how do we do this? We need a camera that'll zoom in on both of these, so we can see them on the screen, and all of you can decide who's done better. Do we have a camera that can come forward?
Very good. Okay. Crown is
3 minutes are up. Thank you. I get reminded 3 minutes are up. Now, how do we?
I think she needs to win. It was amazing what she has done.
That is absolutely amazing.
Sorry.
Karan, that's pretty good.
Yes, thank you.
We have just very, very long eyelashes.
We have
That's
long
lovely.
eyelashes.
So, I don't know. Should we call it?
Yes, the winner is...
I think the winner is. I would
Okay,
give it
the
to
winner
Meera.
is Meera.
Meera.
You can come and take a look at their
I love
handiwork in a
tarboos.
little
Can I
bit.
eat one piece of this?
So when it comes to the best of 3, Karan, I'm afraid
I've
you've
lost
lost
already.
both rounds. No, well, we're going to move on. We're going to move on
Hi, how
to
are
the unveiling right now. Both of you did a wonderful job. Both of you have been very sporting. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Big round. Yes, and since Meera has won both rounds, we're not doing round 3. Can we have Meera's grand prize very quickly? Yes?